Back with the nearly completed L4b. I'll do a complete video on this when I have the two parts to finish it. I'm waiting on those two resistors. So I wanted to get it to an operational state where it would be safe to plug these new tubes in. Okay, so grids are grounded, and I'll talk about everything else. With everything I normally do, just the two resistors haven't been changed, the 50 to 100K 50 watt ones in the supply. So okay, so don't do this at home. Don't take the cover off. You always want the cover on. I'm a professional, so it even scares me. Okay, so there's a high voltage crowbar interlock. I took the C-clip out, pushed it down, and put the C-clip back in to hold it in place. So that is set so I can turn it on. I figured people would want to see the tubes lit up. Okay, so first video on YouTube of the new Amperex 3-500zgs made by Penta. Okay, so fire it up. There you go. Ooh, so pretty, huh? Yeah. Okay, so I don't blast myself with RF, I'm gonna shut it off, let the high voltage bleed down, and then put the cover back on, and I'm gonna show you some power. Okay, very, very pretty, very dangerous like this. Don't do this at home. Do not do this. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, we're back with the L4b. Covers on, nice and safe now. Got the Amperex 3-500zgs by Penta reinstalled. It's tuned up for 1250 roughly. Remember, bird slugs are only accurate within a percentage, so according to my bird slug, 1250 going into a bird attenuator dummy load. 100 watt slug between the radio and the amplifier, showing forward power going into the amp. I don't have a peak kit in that meter. So 20 meters. Guy had a bag over it, I guess, and it melted onto the knobs. He said he's going to try to remove it. Okay, so it's on the lower voltage setting. Audio hello, audio hello, hello, hello. It's tuned for the 1250. Audio tit 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 tit. So it's about 750 right there. PEP. Audio hello, 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 roughly 60 or so. Audio about 60 to 70 watts. Audio tit tit tit. Higher voltage. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, 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 1250, 1250, 1250, 1250, 1250, 1250, 1250, 1250, 1250. Audio hello, hello, hello. Sorry about my chair. Grid current, audio, low, tit 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 tit, forward, audio, no reflect, needle width, audio, 300 watts, yeah. So it's working as it should. Audio, hello, 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 hello. So let's see if I tuned colors at all. Running super cool. The rings have not started to change color. So I'm waiting on the two resistors for the supply. I always change those 100K resistors out to, 50K resistors out to 100K. Tubes still get put into cutoff, and then they run way cooler, so the supply is not cranking out all sorts of heat. So I'll go over this and everything I did when I'm done with it, but I just wanted to show the tubes working in the amplifier. So they were great. I was testing it on all the other bands, no problems. So, you know, I don't have another set of brand new Chinese tubes here to accurately test them drive to drive, but you know, it also boils down to how it's tuned. It could be slightly person can tune it slightly different than the other, and then there's so many factors. Whatever load impedance you're putting it into could affect what the bird meter is seeing, or showing I should say, and depending on the calibration of your slug, or whatever meter you're using. So again, like I said in one of the other videos, these are all rough readings. So I don't have laboratory calibrated meters and a perfect 50 ohm load that's exactly 50 ohms. I mean, so many factors. So anyway, I am very happy with these tubes, but the other ones are still great too. These are also great. They're awesome. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm done for the day. I had a whole bunch of hardbuck orders to pack, and I worked on this, and then I have more hardbuck orders that came in, so I need to pack those tomorrow morning. So thanks for watching. You saw it here first. The new Amperex 3-500zs lit up. Penta Amperex 3-500zs. 73.